Hi all. Today we'll discuss regarding the ER model and what is star schema, what is Snowflake schema. Here, ER model is entity relationship model, entity relationship. So entity means like one business object, one business object. Okay. In database term, like table. Okay. If you take like here, customer table, one business object, orders table, one business object, line item, one business object, supplier, nation, region. Okay. So as we discussed, right? So our database like Oracle, okay, MySQL. So all are these relational database management system. Okay. This R means like how we are providing the relation between one object to one another object. Here see that is the customer key, like customer ID. Okay. And in orders table customer key, this is customer key, so this is primary key, this is foreign key. This is how like we are building relationship, okay, between the two objects, means between the two tables. Okay. So parent table contains the primary key, parent table. The child table, okay, contains foreign key. Okay. So here customer table is like parent table. Why means first we need customer, then only customers can order something, right? So customer should be available before ordering it, right? That's why. So this is the parent table, this is child table. Build this entire relationship between all these subjects. What we have to do, we have to follow, we have to follow, okay, normalization forms which we discussed last session. Normalization forms. See here, once we follow normalization form, then only we'll come to know, okay, what kind of data we can keep in one object, like customer ID, customer name, address, nation key, phone number, notes, some notes. Then orders related table, what kind of data we need to keep, like to build the relation, right? We need to maintain one common column, right? Okay, this is customer key. Okay, customer key or customer ID, okay? Both are same. So here we are keeping order ID, order key means order ID, order status, total price, order date, order priority. These columns we are keeping in another table. Okay. Line item related. What are the columns should be there? So using the normalization technique, okay, we can divide the data into multiple objects. Then we'll build the relation between the one common column. Okay. Parent table column will act as a primary key. The child table column will act as a foreign key. See the common column for our example. Okay. So this entity relationship, right? Okay, where we'll follow. Okay. While building, okay, OLTP system. Why? Because this OLTP system is more normalized, right? So we will build this model, okay, in the OLTP environment. Okay. So in the data warehouse, what kind of what we'll follow is, okay, see here, dimension modeling will follow. Dimensioning model. Okay. Here see. So while loading the data, okay, we'll design dimension model. Okay. The same technique will follow normalization. Okay. Mostly we'll see. Okay. Here observe. Okay. How we are building going to build dimensioning model. Okay. to build this dimension model, okay, we will identify, okay, what are the dimension tables? What are the dimension table? Assume this is one dimension table, okay. This one is another dimension table, okay. This one is another dimension table. This one is another dimension table, okay. Okay, what kind of, okay, columns we can keep as part of the dimension tables? Okay, see, dimensions like just it will give the description, just it will give the mostly description. Okay, in the fact table, what we are going to keep? Measures. Measure means like mostly numbers. Okay, one more thing, all numbers cannot be measured, like department number, department number, like 10. This is not a measure, just a number. So this is dimension as part of the dimension. Like salary, right? This is 1000. This is like some kind of measure, like then it will come like measure column. Okay. So in dimension tables, right? What we are going to keep? All descriptive fields. In fact table, we'll keep all measures. Okay. If you take examples for fact like salary, some profit, okay, some, okay, count of sales, like that. Dimension C, department number, some period like date, today date, per month, like this. Okay. So here see, here keeping, one second, in the dimension model, right? We are followed two schemas. One is star schema, one is snowflake schema. Okay. So wherever I kept, this table contains, where I kept like P means this table contains primary key. Okay. This fact table contains foreign key. Okay. All dimension tables contain primary key. Okay. The fact table contains, okay, foreign key. Okay. So what is star schema means? One fact table, one fact table also, okay, surrounded by, associated with, surrounded by or associated with dimension table. Then we'll call it a star schema. Okay. We have another schema like snowflake schema, means one fact table, okay, is associated with one dimension, all dimension tables, and again that dimension may be associated with another dimension table. Okay, then we'll call that one as a snowflake schema. We will see examples down the line how we can build star schema, how we can build snowflake schema. Simply one table is there available. The table is contains all fact columns, then surrounded by the dimension tables, surrounded by the dimension tables. Okay, then simply we will call this one as a star schema. When we will call the dimension, sorry, snowflake schema means again this dimension table, okay, is also, it have some relation with another dimension table. Then we'll call this one as a snowflake schema. Okay, that is the difference. Simply this snowflake schema is more normalized, means we are dividing the objects, okay, we are dividing the data into multiple tables again. Okay, so if you compare with this star schema and snowflake schema, this is somewhat more normalized. Okay, you will see down the line one example. Here see, this is one table, sales table. This is fact table. Okay, one customer dimension table, another product dimension table, date dimension table. Okay, so all dimension table having the primary key. Okay, this fact table containing all foreign key. See how we are building the relationship. Okay, from this customer table to sales. Okay, fact table. Okay, we have common column, that is customer ID. Okay, And product table, we have see product column here and product column here. This is the primary key, this is foreign key. Okay, here period means see period column available like date period both are same. Okay, this is primary key column. In the date dimension, in the fact table we have foreign key. So to build the relation, okay, we need one common column. Okay, so how we are building that relation in the star schema. Okay, so from each dimension table, okay, we are building relation with one foreign key column of the fact table. Okay, if come to Snowflake schema, here is the only one fact table, okay, associated with dimension table, dimension table, dimension table. This dimension table again have, okay, one more dimension relation. See this customer ID, customer address. Okay, we are separate. We are maintaining a separate object. Okay, then this one will call as a Snowflake schema. So if compare with this schema and this schema, Snowflake schema is more normalized. Means we are dividing the data. Okay, so this is with respect to ER model. Okay, entity relationship, how we are going to build. Okay, simply how we are organizing our data, our business data, how we are organizing. We will see one more example, employee related ER model. See observe, this is just example like ER model. Okay, for employee related, we have one employee table. Okay, which is having the, okay, is it this for here, right? Employee ID is the primary key. Okay, department table, department number is the primary key. Okay, then what is the foreign key relation? See, this is the primary key department number. Here see department number, here is the foreign key. Okay, if compare with the job here see job ID is the primary key. What is the foreign key? Here see foreign key. Okay, here see location ID is the primary key. Okay, then this table. Okay, department having the location, right? This is foreign. Okay, like that we can maintain the relation. Okay, once you understand the business data, okay, once you apply the all normalization techniques, okay, you can build the ER model. Means simply you can organize your data, okay, so that you'll get the relationship between the all the tables, and also will maintain data with integrity without duplicate. Okay, that's all for this video regarding the ER model. Okay, we will start in the next video. We'll see, okay, SCD types. Okay, if you have any doubt, okay, please send out a mail. Okay, I will clarify your doubt. Thank you.